This is capital W. This is small w. In this video, we will learn words which begins with letter W.
W for watch. W for winner. W for weighing machine. W for watchman. W for wheat. W for vest. W for wheel. W for wafers. W for watermelon. W for wall. W for worm. W for und. W for will. W for world. W for wrapper. W for writing. W for wire. W for weather. W for wife. W for wildlife. W for writer. W for wings. W for vest. W for webcam. W for wings. W for Windsor. W for weep. W for wrestling. W for wrist. W for wow. W for warrior. W for words. W for wax. W for wanted. W for waiting. W for Washington. W for winding road. W for welding. W for winter. W for worry. W for wireless. W for wardrobe. W for weaver bird. W for website. W for witness. W for weapons. W for wheelchair. W for white. W for washroom. W for wave. W for weight. W for workers. W for wonderful. W for wealthy. W for wallet. W for warehouse. W for walker. W for wagon. W for wake up. W for window. W for windmill. W for wind. W for waterfall. W for whistle. W for whoop. W for wedding. W for wonders. W for wool. W for woman. W for walk. W for web. W for vest. W for wet. W for wolf. W for whiskers. W for way. W for wasp. W for week. W for week. W for whisk. W for whip. W for walnut. W for walrus. Thanks for watching.